a bit of a twist in our fig tree story. A while ago I was telling you that, we have a bunch of figs, and we had 2 Chicago Hardy figs, which we named Chicago and Hardy. We left Chicago in a pot, and we put Hardy in the ground. So Hardy didn't survive. We took him out of the ground. We even put him in a pot. He didn't come back to life, because that's what happened with Cat. Cat has died twice on us because of for whatever reason. And when we put Cat back in the pot, Cat seemed to come back to life. So it didn't work for Hardy. So I showed you the bare twig thing that he looked like many moons ago, whatever it was, last summer, this summer. Actually, it was this summer we threw him out and whatever. Just trying to stir up some of this nice composted soil that I have. Well, anyway, I was cleaning out the pot that we tried to resuscitate Hardy in, and I pulled out a bunch of roots that still look viable. So I really don't know if this will work, but I am going to just put this root in this pot. Gonna put some soil in the pot. A little bit of fertilizer in there. Yeah, the leaves are good. It's good organic stuff. Anyway, just gonna do this. I'll cover right to the top. It's because he's not going to get watered a whole lot over the winter time. But I'll see if something grows out of this. If it doesn't, it's whatever. Juan has said he's going to try and make a cutting off of Chicago to get another Chicago Hardy fig. But if this guy works, I thought, people who own thoroughbred horses give them very elaborate names, like Starlight Prancing on the Rainbow or Starstruck by the Moonlight Sonata. So I thought, if this fig actually grows, because you never know what Mother Nature is going to do to you, he shall be named Hardier Than You Think. I think it's fitting. Welcome to Wonderland.